Clark County is a county in the state of Nevada, the largest county, about 8,000 square miles, so it's physically large, and we're the 13th most populous county in the United States, about 2.1 million residents. And of course, because the city of Las Vegas is inside of Clark County, we get about 40 million annual visitors to county every year. What we're doing around information governance, we have a couple of strategies. One deals with data ownership. We're trying to make sure that each department at the county understands what their data is, identified in terms of its level of confidentiality. Is it HIPAA data? Is it PCI data? If not, how do we classify it? And then that directly relates to security. Because we're a government agency, a good portion of our data is public information anyway. So if it's properly classified, then that which is public we can push to the public through public portals, which I think creates a huge amount of efficiency. No longer do they have to come to us, wait 5 to 7 days to get information. Security, EIM, transparency, they're all coupled together. They're not silos. By building upon one, EIM, it supports the other, information security. The key challenges implementing an EIM program at Clark County it'll be focused mostly on adjusting the culture, but just exposing the general county employee to the benefits, what EIM can do and how it can benefit them in their everyday work, how it can help them manage their information, how it can help them from a records retention perspective understand this is what I need to keep, this is what I can get rid of. Helping them understand how information flows between systems. As we start to build an enterprise system for managing our information, then getting it moving between departments becomes easier as well. Around some of the OpenText technologies, some of the benefits as we look at e-discovery, that will be technology that will help lower cost, lower risk, exposure from litigation, those sorts of things. So some very tangible benefits there. Lower cost by virtue of the fact that we will be able to give a much more focused set of data to any of our outside counsel. So instead of giving them a stack of information, if we give them less, then we pay less. There's an opportunity around collaboration and analytics to pool data and information from similar departments, social services, Department of Family Services, and Juvenile Justice. Well, in many cases, they have the same customer, and if I have a good analytics solution, even going into some predictive analytics, then maybe we can start to understand that on the social services side, if a mother is asking for housing, on the juvenile justice side, the teenage boy is delinquent, and on the Department of Family Services child welfare side, the young girl is experiencing some issues. If they can see that holistically, maybe we can take a different approach to addressing the family problems. Right now we have silos of information that an EIM solution will let us compile that and kind of look at the family in a different way than we have before.